insurance and taxes are the real story nobody's talking about. In Florida, insurance premiums are still some of the highest in the country, even after all the reforms and everything else that's done. The higher cost makes total payments feel like rates never dropped. For the insurance part in Florida, it's so wild because over on the west coast, so the Gulf of America versus the Atlantic coast, the East Coast, there's a huge disparity in insurance premiums. And it's wild to me because it seems like the Gulf Coast is the one that keeps getting hit with hurricanes. Knock on wood, this year's been great. But I just did a mortgage and the insurance for a property was like $9,000 a year. And I was like, wow, that's super high. But I know that's a big factor for some people because, especially if you go into the flood insurance and adding more things, that payment just creeps up where it's almost like it doesn't make sense to buy. Texas property taxes can crush affordability unless you plan for your homestead exemption early. Texas has one of the highest tax millage rates in the United States. It's bananas. A $350,000 house can be $12,000 a year in taxes. And that's crazy high. And when I tell people that are buying in Florida or even Georgia about that, they're like, wow, we don't have it so bad. But that's a big thing too. So when buyers hear rates are down, they expect a smaller payment, but when we factor in the real costs, it still feels super high. And that's where education and the right loan strategy comes in.